What's going on, guys? It's UrAvgConsumer, and it has been a while since we shot an episode of awesome but overpriced tech. And in today's episode, we are checking out the best portable charger you will ever find. This is the Omni 20 Plus. And we also have its bigger brother over here, the Omni Ultimate. Big, beefy, portable chargers with an insane amount of features. And let me show you what this guy's about. But before we get started, we gotta give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Away. For those of you who don't know, Away makes some awesome suitcases with a bit of tech. They're lightweight with a durable shell, so they're made to last, have a TSA approved combination lock to keep your things safe, and one of my favorite things about them is the optional 10,000 milliamp hour portable charger built right into the back. And I'm telling you, it is awesome to have, so you're not hugging a wall when you want to charge your device at like an airport. And let me tell you, I love using this to travel because it keeps my clothing organized and my tech charged. And if you guys want to pick one up and save $20 off a suitcase, be sure to visit awaytravel.com/UrAvgConsumer20 and use the promo code UrAvgConsumer20 at checkout and save yourself 20 bucks. And of course, I'll have everything you need linked down below in the description. What we've got right here is the Omni 20 Plus, my personal favorite portable charger. And check this out, we'll get right into it, guys. You see this power button over here? We press that, and right next to it, as you guys can see, we've got a display. So with this display, you get a ton of information, which could actually be really useful. Now, we're not gonna go over every single thing that you see on this screen because like I said, there's a lot of information here, but some of the more important ones is that it has these little icons over here, which shows you which features it's currently using. So if you take a quick look around the portable charger, you can see that it has two regular USB ports and they're both capable of Quick Charge 3.0. So you get that fast charging if your device supports it. You also get a USB-C port, and this USB-C port supports up to 60 watts of charging. So if you want to charge a MacBook or maybe even fast charge your iPhone or whatever device that you have that uses USB Type-C and fast charging, you get all of that right here. So this thing is a very powerful USB-C port, and you also get a DC input and output, so you can charge different things here. And they actually sell different cables for this port. So if you want to charge a MacBook with like a MagSafe connector, they have the ports for that. If you want to charge like a Surface laptop, they also have those kind of cables. So that's why it has the name Omni. It's supposed to be able to charge almost any device out there. And you also have a wall socket right here on the side, guys. So with this, you can charge anything that you want. It is an awesome, awesome feature, probably one of my favorite things, and one of the reasons why I feel like I had to always have it in my gadget backpack, because if I have my laptop die on me, I at least know I'll be able to charge it up really quickly thanks to this port. So obviously, tons of different ways to charge a device, but one thing that you wouldn't expect is that this guy also has wireless charging built right into the top of it. Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I've had these portable chargers for years now, and I've only recently figured out how to properly wireless charge with it. Before, I used to really like hunt around, try to figure it out. But the proper way is to just kind of have it right here, and boom, you're wireless charging. And as you can see, this thing can send a lot of juice to just about anything, but what makes it really cool is being able to check the status of everything right from this little display. So with this display, you can see which kinds of charging you're using. You actually have the ability to turn on and off different charging ports. So if you want to turn off the wall outlet area, you can turn it off with this little button. You can turn off the USB ports. You can pretty much have as much control of it as you want, but it also has information and it gives you all the numbers that you need in terms of the heat. So when you're charging things up with this, let's say you have a bunch of devices charging, of course this thing is going to get hot, and it's actually smart enough to provide temperature protection, so it's not gonna let it get too hot. It's gonna shut it all down, make sure everything is nice and safe. And all of that information is really useful, but another nice little tidbit is that when you're charging it, you can also see how much juice it's taking in and how long it's gonna take to fully charge. So you'll know the status of its battery life at all times and how long it's gonna take to get to a maximum charge, which is also a very useful feature. Now, one of the downfalls to this portable charger is that it's a bit on the bulky side, it's a bigger portable charger for sure. I think the typical portable charger that people are used to seeing is something like this. And I've been carrying one of these around in my backpack for years now, and it does add a little bit more weight to it, but it is so useful that it's kind of worth it. One thing I wish they didn't change is the texture of the material that it comes with. This older version, as you can see, it's a completely different texture. This one is a bit more rubberized. This one feels nicer, but it'll get scratched up and dirty. As you guys can see, just me handling it right now, it's getting all dirty. While this one, you wouldn't be able to see any of that. But like I said, all these features, it's worth carrying around. It has 20,000 milliamp hours of battery life. Not the biggest battery capacity I've seen on a portable charger by any means, but if you want more juice, you gotta look at the Omni Ultimate. Now, this guy right here is the Omni Ultimate. So this has twice the capacity of the Omni 20 Plus, so you're getting around 40,000 milliamp hours of battery life. Now this guy's a bit different from the Omni 20 Plus in the sense that it is ultimate, so all of its charging ports are a lot faster. It puts out a lot more juice. It has this DC out over here that I think can put out about 100 watts of juice at once. You still have your quick charge ports, a USB-C port as well, and that wall socket over here. So it can pretty much charge up anything. It does not have wireless charging, but one of the benefits that this thing does have is that it has a removable battery. So if you want to take this guy out, throw in another one, you can buy replacement batteries so that you're just going and going and going. And even though it has all of this juice, it has a pretty cool quick charge feature where you're able to fully charge this guy under 3 hours. So that is actually really impressive. Portable chargers always take a long time to get to max, and being able to do that in under 3 hours is awesome. Now, this is a rugged portable charger, so it's meant to go, camping, or if you gotta go away for a long time. That's what this guy is for. It still has that OLED screen in the front, so you'll be able to get all of the information that you need. Now, obviously, these guys can do a lot, but we have to talk about the price. So this is a portable charger. Just how much do you guys think it is? Pause the video, leave a comment down below. I wanna know what you guys would think. Okay, so the Omni 20 Plus goes for $200, y'all. $200 for a portable charger. And the Omni Ultimate, twice the capacity, twice the price, 400 bucks. That's a lot of money, you guys. You probably won't find someone who loves portable chargers more than me, and even I think that's an insane amount of money to spend on these. Now, while you might say, oh, they've got all those features, it's worth it. Who's spending the 200 bucks? Let me know. How many of you guys are actually gonna shell out the $200 for something like this, or the 400 for something like this? Now, I know there are certain people who will, but it is not gonna be a wide pool of people. That is a lot of money for these, even though they're the best portable chargers you will find anywhere. And it's not like these are the only portable chargers out there with a high capacity that can charge devices quickly. You got options out there like the Aukey 26,500 milliamp hour portable charger here that has USB PD that can charge a laptop like a MacBook, and also has quick charge features. And this isn't even the newest version. I think the newest version has 30,000 milliamp hours of juice, and it goes for about 70 bucks. If you want a bargain, this is what you want to look at if you want to really save your money. But like I said, it won't have the cool features that these guys have. And I will give Omni one thing. These outlets over here, these wall socket outlets, while there are other portable chargers that have similar features, they're not as reliable as these guys. These guys have very, very reliable wall outlets. But if you guys are interested in the Omni chargers, I'll have links to these down below in the description. If you want to see some of the alternatives that I also think are really great, I'll have these linked down below as well. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives it a thumbs up. If you want me to continue this awesome but overpriced tech video, let me know with a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.